Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Happy New Year once again to everybody. And today's menu, we're making fried chicken wings. Yes, this is going to be one of your favorite chicken wing recipe you've ever made. Really, really good, easy to make, and you're going to love it. Let's get started. And these are my chicken wings. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to cut off that little thing from the wings. Yeah, this side I don't like it, but if you do, just keep it on. I also like to cut my chicken wings into half like that. If you like it whole, just don't have to cut it. But it's just easier for me when I'm eating it, because when it's whole like that, it's kind of like I don't know where to start to eat. But when it's like this, it's easier for me to just grab one and just eat it like that. But if you like it whole, hey, just go ahead and do it like that. So I'm gonna continue with the rest, and we're gonna continue with the seasoning. I'm going to be using half of this lemon to wash my chicken wings. I just don't want that smell. You know how chicken have that kind of strong smell, and especially because I'm frying it, I just want to take off all that smell from it. You could use vinegar if you prefer, but I prefer to use the lemon, and I'm using just half of it. So I added water to it. I'm going to use my hand to just wash everything off the chicken that is not supposed to be there. And my chicken wings are ready to be seasoned. At this point, you could pat dry with a paper towel if you prefer, but hey, I did not do that. I'm just going straight to the point, and it was so good anyway. So yeah, if you want to pat dry, just go ahead. I'll add a chicken seasoning. I'm adding onion powder. I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the description box. Some garlic powder, ginger powder. I'm adding some curry powder to it. Yeah, curry powder. Please try this recipe and let me know, because the curry powder to this chicken wings was everything. Really, really good. I'm adding some cayenne pepper. If you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add that one to it. I'm adding this seasoning salt to it. It's really salty, so please, if you're adding it, just don't add too much. I have some adobo powder. All these seasoning were about one teaspoon, okay? So just in case you're asking. And yeah, I have one egg to it. I have my gloves on. I'm just making sure everything is well like seasoned. And yeah, that's it. Our chicken wings is almost ready to be fried. But before that, we're gonna add our corn starch. Yeah, this is to give it that crispiness on the outside. Yeah, so this was about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And make sure you wrap it really well to make sure the cornstarch is well mixed um, in it, okay? And that's it. You could choose to marinate this for a couple of hours before you fry it, but I fried it right away, and trust me on this, it's still good. So if you have time, just marinate. If you don't have, just go ahead and fry it right away. When the oil was hot enough, I added this flour to it. Because I don't want my chicken wings to be coated with a lot of flour, I didn't do it individually, like putting the flour before I fry it. I want a little bit, so that's why I put it straight into the oil, and it was perfect. But if you want your chicken wings to be coated with a lot of flour, you want to do it individually before you put it in the oil. And my heat was on the medium high, not high, because we don't want it to burn on the outside and not cook in the inside, so make sure your heat is not too high. All right. I also keep flipping the chicken here and there to make sure it's not like burning on one side. Okay, so make sure you keep doing that, otherwise it's gonna burn on one side. And you want to make sure everything is well cooked. And look at our chicken wings. Look how pretty that looks. It's really crispy on the outside and really, really juicy and moist in the inside. I'm going to continue with the same process, sprinkle a little bit of flour in the oil, and yeah, I'm going to do this till I'm done frying all my chicken wings. Also, one tip, make sure you do not overcrowd the chicken in the pot, okay? Otherwise your chicken wings is not gonna fry good. What do you usually eat your chicken wings with? I usually have it with some french fries, and that's exactly what I'm making today. And yeah, it was really good. And our plate is ready, and just look at this chicken wings. Look how crispy it looks on the outside. Yes, you could tell, right? Yes, it was really good. I'm gonna break into it and you're gonna see the inside. Really moist. Really, really moist. Not dry in the inside. It's moist and crispy and it tastes good. This is one of the easiest recipe to follow when you're making your chicken wings, fried chicken wings recipe. And trust me, I know you will love it. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up if you really did. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Until I see you in my next video, be good to yourself, be good to everybody. It goes a long way.